Hi! Today I'm excited to start a new painting. This is a pet portrait of Jasmine the cat. Jasmine was Marcelle's cat for 20 years, and what I know about her is that she was very sweet and was very comforting to Marcelle over the years, and she still missed very much. And there's a little box with like a little altar with her ashes in it, and you know, I've never met her in real life, but I feel like she's part of the family, so I'm excited to have a little visit with her and bring her through on the paper. I'm going to start by doing a rough outline, a rough sketch referencing this photo. I love her paw stretched out with the tiny little beans. Jasmine stayed as long as she possibly could. In many ways, Jasmine was Marcelle's caretaker. I mean, such a close friend. Such a beautiful bond. Oh, what a glorious moment. Stretched out. So comfortable but curious. I'm not feeling sad at all with this one. I know that Marcelle was devastated, but she's saying, you know, I never left. Never left. This little cat body that I had could only go so far. She plays with Phoebe, our current cat, and that would explain Phoebe often will be mesmerized by something. She'll like go and investigate something that we can't see. That's Jasmine. Jasmine loves Phoebe. Jasmine likes to snuggle up with Phoebe and mess with her a little bit, play little games. When Phoebe snuggles with Marcelle, Jasmine is right there, and Jasmine inspires Phoebe a lot to go and comfort Marcelle. She's playful. She's playful. She's cheerful. She has really clear eyes. Oh, she's a little dainty as well. Dainty features. It makes Jasmine a little bit sad to see how sad Marcelle was when she had to go, because she's still right here. She follows her everywhere. Marcelle is her comfort too, and she feels that her mission was accomplished here. She was there during really formative years for Marcelle, and she was really like a guardian, reminding her to nap, reminding her to rest, reminding her to take solace and to bask. She's proud of Marcelle. She has changed. She's a lot more self-aware now, and not such a basket case as she was when Jasmine was looking after her. You know, I am getting really short and sweet little messages from Jasmine. It's more like the impulse to stretch and to nap, really bask, to really bask in the sun. That's what I'm feeling. It's like I want to stop talking and just curl up. Oh, it's making me yawn. Yeah. She was a guardian of the sweetness. You know, the way that she's looking at Marcelle is so direct, so much pure positive energy, so strong. Her gaze. She's a very gentle being, but her love is so pure. You know what it reminds me of is like rose essence. Yeah, I'm tasting like rose, Turkish delight, that kind of flavor. I'm gonna go pretty light with this painting, keep it nice and loose and free, just like her. I'm just gonna tighten in a little bit in her eyes. So beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous eyes. She sends Marcelle lots of new cats too. We have a lot of alley cats that come around our neighborhood. Marcelle likes to go and feed them. What did you learn while you were with Marcelle, Jasmine? Nothing is as important as it seems to be. Really, it's not, because next thing you know, it's time for a snack. There's always going to be a squirrel to watch out the window. There's always going to be something that can take your attention. But then you just got to release it and let it go just as quickly as you fixate on it. Fixate's a good word. It's about you and you. The more you can be comfortable with yourself and relax into yourself, the more everything will be pleasurable. Wisdom from a cat. Not just a cat. The most important friend Marcelle ever had. Beautiful. How are you doing now, Jasmine? Same as I was. Now I can really fly when I want to chase after something. I can do backflips. It was a lot of work absorbing Marcelle's emotional turmoil sometimes. And it was hard to release it. She was such a warm, loving home for me. She has such a strong heart, and she made me feel so very loved. It's time to take a closer look. I just noticed something really cool. So when you zoom in to Jasmine's paw, look, there's a little heart there. So on the picture that Marcelle posted of her final goodbye, when she passed over, she's holding a heart. She had a heart at the bottom of her paw. I love that. That is so beautiful. Wow, what an amazing messenger, Jasmine. I'm so glad that I was able to point this out in case Marcelle didn't see it.